Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Cindy and I do a lot of walking vlogs. I walk for my health and wellness and I just love to be outside. This morning we are in Lincoln, Maine, and we are at this lake over here. This is a very popular lake down here. We got some people that we got some boat launches down here, and this spot right here is gorgeous down here. There's a lot of people that come down here on boats and stuff. So if you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's see what we can get into today. It's kind of a cloudy day. We're gonna be going around here and seeing the different places here in Lincoln. We'll probably go down to another boat landing over on the Penobscot River maybe. This is the Penobscot. I can't remember what the name of this river is right here, but yeah, it's super nice today. The breeze is really nice. It's a gentle breeze. And let's see what we can get into today. Come on, let's go. Is this where the path keeps going on?
Yeah, like I said, it goes into that neighborhood where we were going to buy the house.
Uh-huh. Can we go down there or no? Dude, I see cars go by.
Yeah, that's where it crosses in Lincoln. Anything you want.
We're on the railroad. Choo-choo! So, this is in Lincoln. This railroad goes out where?
That way it heads up towards
Lincoln?
Maine or towards Sally Ayres Road and Patty Burke.
Oh, no doubt. And this way goes to Enfield, which Enfield is right over by Howland. There's another spot.
Old Town.
Oh, Old Town?
Looks like a ring to an old barrel.
Yeah, it does. So there's a little path down here. I'm gonna go check it out. Come on, let's go. I think we're gonna stop here. It looks like it gets real grassy up here, and grass in the summertime equals bugs, so we're not down with that. But thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see where else we can go. This is where we were, down this walkway down here, down this path. I hope everyone has a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye. Hey everyone, this right here is I believe it's the Penobscot River. This is in Lincoln, Maine, and it's a little boat landing. You can see a fella's over there fishing. I hope he's catching something. But yeah, this is a beautiful river down here. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and like and follow. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and keep watching. Thank you so much, and let's see where else we can go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I am walking on the river road. I haven't been on this road in like forever. I've been mainly going on the main roads over here because I've been living on TikTok. And for some reason, whenever I come down this road and I live stream on that platform, it always does not do well. I don't know why. But I would love to show everybody this old road, all the pretty houses, but the internet is not good to me. But hey, I haven't seen you guys in a while. I haven't walked and vlogged in a long time down here. I've been pretty busy with everything in the summer. The summer is fabulous. This morning was cold though. This morning was like 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm used to saying Fahrenheit because on TT, everyone is from like around the world and stuff. So they're like, what is that in Celsius? And I'm like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm on, this is the Piscataquis River. And it's beautiful here. It's starting to warm up a little bit. And it's pretty nice. The sun is not doing me any justice though, which is kind of a bummer because this river is always wicked pretty first thing in the morning when the sun is just coming up. This morning was beautiful. The sky was so lit right up with pink. Oh, it was beautiful. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm gonna go down here to my my trail I always go down. I haven't been down here in a long time. I'm hoping that there's some deer down here, which would be so awesome. I'm hoping, keep my fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm gonna go down to this, my trail and check it out down there. So if you wanna join me, if you like what you see and you wanna see more, like and follow. What a sweet little kitty you are. Come see me. Hello. Hi. there's some Canadian geese over there. Right over there in the grass. Looks like they're just chilling for the afternoon. That's so cool. Now, over here, I love to come down here in the trail. Sometimes I even see deer. There's no guarantees I'll see some today, but I love going down here at the field. The man that lives down here always keeps it nice and neat and clean down here. So let's see what we can see down here. Hopefully we'll see something down here. We already saw some geese down here, but it's always super pretty. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like these kinds of videos. I hope you are enjoying my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you like these kinds of videos, go ahead, watch my other videos. Share this video out if you like, if you think somebody else would enjoy watching these videos. And let's see what else we can get to today. It's always so pretty here. This road right here used to go all the way to Medford. It used to cut across, and then it used to go to Medford down here. But since they put the interstate down here, nobody goes on this road anymore because of the interstate. But yep, this road right here used to go all the way through. It's an old country road. But right down here is my trail that I love to go on. And let's go see what we can see today. Come on, let's go. I haven't been down here in a long time. Oh my gosh, it looks like he fixed it up too. See that? The trail wasn't as nice as it is now. It looks like he fixed it up a lot, because over here in the middle of this trail right here, it was more rounded and there was more grass growing in the middle. Yeah, he did a lot to this. Oh my gosh. holy, it looks like he's been really trimming it down over here. He's been thinning it out over here. Look, it's all this is all cut up. Plus this tree, look at this tree right here. Oh my gosh, check this out. I think anyway, yeah, so I gotta go down in here. He's been cutting it all up over here. Thinning it out over here or what? Maybe making another trail? He might be making another trail down here. So that the deer can go down here maybe. Yeah, he's been thinning it out. Oh my gosh, over here too. Maybe he's cutting it for his own firewood, I don't know. But yeah, there's another path down here. I usually like to go down this path right here. In the wintertime, this is all beautiful. This creek is all dried up. It's been super dry, but during the springtime, this creek, there's tons of water that comes down. He made like a cute little creek down here, and it runs down this way. It's kind of cute. Thank you guys so much. That's gonna be the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I hope they have a great weekend. And I hope they're having a great summer. I know I'm having a wonderful summer. I am soaking up the sun. Well, there really isn't any sun yet today, but I'm enjoying the summer. I'm looking forward to the fall too, but I still love the summer. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Please, if you would, follow and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. In the description down below are all the links to all my social medias. Go check me out, like, share, follow. And in the mornings, I'm very frequent on TT. So if you want to join me there every morning and see what I've been up to, go check me out. I'm super early on TT. So if you want to go check me out, go follow me. The links are all in the description down below. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next adventure.